Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. So every 3 years you have to send in, do an application and pay money and get your renewal. But every 9 years you have to do the same thing. Plus you got to take some continuing education. And they call them PDHs, which is professional development hours. Or you could take, if you teach, you could use your training. And if you've taught 80 hours of training, it could be welding, it could be inspection or anything like that. You are exempt. You just have to send in your syllabus, or you got to fill out this form right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a form right here. You have to fill out showing that you taught courses and when you taught it and what courses you taught, so you can be exempt from getting those PDHs. And those things get expensive. Before you start your renewal process, make sure you have your eye exam done, which I have that done, and make sure you got a passport type photo. So you're gonna have to upload that information when you're going through the process. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna log into AWS, www.aws.org. And if you don't have a password set up, or you don't have anything set up, but you forgot your password, you can just go and try to log in and just say forgot password. But right up here on the top right where it says log in, or you can join, I already got a login and password. If you don't, you can join right here. So I'm gonna hit login, and it's gonna ask for my email address. And if you don't remember your password, you can just go through the process. And I remember my password. So I entered my password and I hit sign in. So once you sign in, what you want to go do is go to the top right. You see right here where it says renew. And if it's up for renewal, it'll be highlighted. And I've already got all my stuff renewed. So I'm gonna just go through here and just show you. I'm gonna click on it, hit renew. See right here, it has all my contact information and all of that good stuff. And you wanna go right here where it says view, renew, existing certification. Or if you wanna apply for a new certification or all that. So you just hit this renew. Once you hit the renew, and if it's up for certification, and I think it lets you do it 6 months before it expires. So if you log on too soon, this will be grayed out. As you can see, mine's expires in April the 1st of 2026. So around in I say January, or I usually do it 6 months in advance. So in 2025, probably in December, this would light up and I would be able to go through and renew. You notice that I got the certified welding educator and a certified welding inspector, API 1104. So I'm trying to click these. These are grayed out. So what you do is click these and it'll take you through the process. It's really simple. But before you do all of this, first you want to get your passport photo. And you can go to Walgreens, or you can go to CVS, or you can do an app on your phone. And you want to open up a folder and save all that information in there. And you want to also have your eye examination. So if you're doing a 3-year renewal, that's all you need. And then you can fill out all this stuff, the work experience online. And once you do that, the only thing they want you to do is pay your fee. I don't know what the fee is these days. I know it's probably done went up. I think the last time I renewed mine was in 2023. I think it was about probably a year and a half ago. I think I had to pay like $720. I think that includes like your membership fees and all of that. But it probably have went up now. So you just go through the process. But like I said, make sure you got your passport type photo, which you can go to Walgreens or whatever, or you can use an app on the phone. And you need to go and get your eye exam and have all that stuff on your computer, because it's going to ask you to upload it. And then you go through and fill out all the information. It's that simple. Once you hit the submit and pay your money, and they'll send you emails and you can check it daily or weekly. But don't wait to the last minute to try to do this certification, because AWS is pretty slow. Most of the times they don't answer. They'll try to call you back, but try to, if you can do it within before 6 months before it expires. Don't wait till the last month. And it's gonna, because like me, I'm out working and we work 10, 12 hours a day and we don't really have time to be messing around with this computer. So try to get it done as soon as possible. So that's the new way to do your certification. You don't have to get notarized. This is the way to go. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.